In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically remove flicker from a video inside a CapCut on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut and I'm going to import a video that has some flicker into it. So I'm going to click on New Project, go to Media, click on Import. And now I've got this clip here, this short clip that has a flicker. So I'm going to drag this to my timeline. And what I'll do, I'll press play on this video. So you can see there's a huge amount of flicker going on. So in order to automatically remove this flicker, I'm going to click on the video and then click video on the top right, basic, and kind of near the bottom here, we've got our option that says remove video flickers. This is a Pro feature inside a CapCut, so if you don't have Pro you won't be able to use this feature, but I will leave a link in the description below so you can check out or try CapCut Pro for a free 7-day trial. So click on remove video flickering, click on flashlight, and then do level recommended. You can do weaker and stronger, just depending. So let's have a look. If I do recommended and if I press play, you can see a big bulk of flicker has been removed. And now let's try stronger. Now go to the start of the clip and press play. Alright, now it's processed, so I'll press play. And yeah, so it's done a pretty good job removing the bulk of that flicker. This is a very old clip, so yeah, it's done a pretty decent job of removing a good amount of the flickering going on.